to set up fingerprint on your Samsung Galaxy A16. Open your setting, then you can see the security and privacy option. Press on security and privacy, then select lock screen. Then you can see the fingerprint option. Select fingerprint, enter your current pattern, press on continue. Now this button is a fingerprint. Just use your hand for the different way. So once it's complete, so you have to complete the 100%. Yeah, done. Press on done. Now you can add another fingerprint as well for another hand, so I don't want it. Now go back and lock my skin and just put your fingerprint. It's will be unlocked. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up. Have a good day.